Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add PayPal to your Squarespace account. Just open the Squarespace website. Now log into your account. You can start off by going to Settings and then going to Payments. Once you're in the Payments, you can select the payment provider here. We are going to select the payment provider as PayPal. And there you go. That's how you find the PayPal option for payments. Now once you have made the payments, you're going to be able to access a lot of features on your Squarespace website now. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.